The smartwatch world has felt incredibly boring lately, almost completely stagnant. For the past few years, Apple has just played it safe, releasing the same basic chassis and identical design language while rival Android brands tried wild new things. Every single year, tech enthusiasts expected a massive revolution on their wrists, but all we actually got were minor spec bumps, tiny processor tweaks, and virtually identical titanium shells. The hype train kept crashing into a wall of minimal updates. But that boring, lazy era of wearable tech is finally coming to an end. If you have been holding onto your money and waiting to buy a new premium smartwatch, the latest wave of supply chain leaks is about to completely blow your mind. The upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 4 is not just another minor refresh or a lazy cash grab. It is shaping up to be the biggest, most radical, and most disruptive upgrade in Apple's entire history. Apple is finally listening to the community, breaking its own strict design rules, and throwing massive resources into creating the ultimate outdoor wearable. Let's dive straight into the 8 massive, brand new, leaked updates that change the entire game forever. First, we are finally getting a completely fresh exterior design layout. Since day one, the Ultra has been characterized as a giant, bulky, uncompromising square of titanium strapped to your wrist. While that rugged, industrial look certainly has its hardcore fans, millions of casual users complain that it was just too thick and heavy for comfortable daily wear. That frustrating bulk changes now. New factory CAD leaks confirm that Apple is successfully engineering a noticeably thinner titanium body. It cuts down the heavy vertical depth drastically without losing an ounce of its famous military-grade strength. Apple's internal engineers have completely reorganized the interior logic board components and stacked the internal layout to save precious millimeters. This means the watch will finally look sleek, clean, and fit perfectly under a tight dress shirt sleeve, while still remaining tough enough to survive freezing mountains and deep ocean dives. Second, Apple is introducing a radically rebuilt next-generation rear sensor system. If you look at the ceramic back of the current watch, it uses the exact same old circular optical layout we have seen for multiple generations. The Ultra 4 completely scraps that aging architecture. Exclusive schematics point to a brand new rear layout featuring as many as 8 individual high-performance sensors arranged in a highly advanced circular pattern. This massive jump in physical hardware means the watch can track your body with unparalleled biometric accuracy. By adding more distinct data collection points, the internal system can easily filter out movement noise and sweat interference during heavy CrossFit or running workouts. Every single bit of health data, from heart rate variance to microscopic skin temperature changes, will be cleaner, faster, and more reliable than anything else on the market. Third, the health tracking suite is getting a genuine lifesaver feature with advanced, non-invasive blood pressure monitoring. Apple wants this device to do much more than just count your daily steps or track basic gym sessions. The Ultra 4 will feature custom-designed optical hardware built to monitor your blood pressure trends directly from your wrist. The watch will quietly check your stats throughout the day without needing an annoying, loud, inflatable arm cuff. It is specifically designed to look for dangerous medical trends and actively warn you about the early signs of chronic hypertension before it becomes a serious medical emergency. This single update completely turns the watch from a simple fitness luxury item into an essential medical companion that watches your back 24/7. Fourth, the watch is getting a massive brain upgrade with deep Apple Intelligence integration. It is no longer just collecting raw numbers and leaving you to figure out what they mean. The watch actively tells you what your data means for your daily life. The workout and recovery tracking will become instantly smarter through local on-device processing. Whether you run, hike, cycle, or sleep, the watch acts like a highly trained AI personal coach strapped to your arm. It will analyze your stress levels, sleep stages, and recent training load to give you highly personalized text advice. It will tell you exactly when to push your physical limits and exactly when your body desperately needs a rest day to prevent injury. Fifth, core performance is getting a major technical boost with the next generation S11 chip. The older processors were fast enough for basic apps, but the custom S11 chip focuses heavily on raw thermal efficiency and neural machine learning. Apps will open instantly with zero loading spinners. Switching between active widgets will feel buttery smooth, and heavy AI tasks will run directly on the watch hardware without a single stutter. You won't have to wait for your personal data to send to the cloud and back just to get a response. This custom silicon gives you maximum computing power right on your wrist without draining your battery or causing the metal device to get uncomfortably warm during heavy outdoor use. Sixth, we are seeing a massive security upgrade with the addition of Biometric Touch ID. Entering a tiny passcode digit on a small screen while running, cycling, or wearing heavy winter gloves is an absolute nightmare. To fix this incredibly common user frustration, Apple is actively testing a miniature fingerprint sensor built right into the mechanical digital crown or the side action button. You will be able to unlock your watch, open highly secure financial apps, and instantly approve Apple Pay purchases in a fraction of a second with one simple touch. It adds an extra layer of tight data security while making the daily user experience incredibly smooth, quick, and completely frictionless. Seventh, the display is taking a massive leap forward in extreme outdoor brightness. The Ultra brand is built for outdoor adventurers, ultramarathon runners, and scuba divers who spend hours under direct, blinding sunlight. To make outdoor navigation much easier, the new display will output significantly higher peak nits than any screen before it. This means text notifications, activity rings, and detailed topographic maps will look incredibly crisp, vibrant, and readable even in the brightest midday desert sunlight. Combined with much slimmer black borders around the protective sapphire glass, the screen looks incredibly futuristic, giving you significantly more viewing area without increasing the actual physical footprint of the watch face. Eighth, the battery life is hitting a legendary new milestone that will stun competitors. Battery endurance is the #1 reason people choose the Ultra over the standard series, and Apple is pushing that competitive lead even further. Thanks to the highly efficient S11 chip architecture and a brand new energy-efficient display panel material, the Ultra 4 is rumored to comfortably pass 48 hours of heavy, regular use on a single charge. You can easily go for a full 3-day weekend camping trip, track multiple hours of heavy GPS workouts, monitor your sleep tracking every night, and return home without ever packing a charging cable. It completely eliminates low battery anxiety. We expect the Apple Watch Ultra 4 to officially launch in September 2026 alongside the new flagship iPhone 18 lineup. While the price is heavily rumored to start at the standard $799, some supply chain leaks suggest the premium new hardware upgrades could push the base retail price up to between $849 and $899, depending on the final storage options and cellular configurations. In my opinion, this product is going to be an absolute home run for the tech giant. Apple has faced a lot of heavy criticism recently for being lazy with design updates and playing it too safe, but the Ultra 4 completely proves they are still capable of true innovation. The combination of a thinner, much more wearable body and a game-changing feature like blood pressure monitoring makes this a must-buy device. It completely justifies the premium price tag because it offers real, practical utility that can improve your daily health. If you own an older Apple Watch or have been waiting for a real reason to upgrade, this is absolutely the model you should wait for. It sets a brand new standard for the entire smartwatch industry. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another massive tech update.